Technology at its finest. Not only in space, but here on Earth, we depend on performance. To achieve our goals and ambitions. Since the Stone Age, man has continuously developed materials and created machines to improve our ability to work within our civilized world. Heat and friction were good when man discovered he could use them to make fire. But heat and friction were bad when it came to movement and speed. Lubrication was needed. Animal fats, such as whale blubber, were used. In the modern world, oil and grease, when applied, helped reduce the amount of contact between hard surfaces. However, oil simply coats the surface. Even under optimum conditions, oil does not provide complete protection. On a microscopic level, you see that the surfaces can make contact, creating friction, heat, and at times even squeezing the oil out. Over time, friction, heat, and metal particles contaminate the oil, making it less effective. Additives were invented that claimed to provide better lubrication, reducing heat and friction. Yet, as these graphics display, additives only coat the metal and are still subject to breakdown or being squeezed out during metal impact. Some additives use large molecules that can create dry pockets or buildup, causing severe problems. Most additives create more problems than they solve. Oil starvation, clogged lines and filters, and damage to engine surfaces. If you've ever lost an engine, it hurts. There has never been a real answer to this dilemma, until now. Militec-1 is unique. It represents revolutionary advances in lubrication technology. When added, it actually bonds to the surface and is highly resistant to breakdown. This synthetic metal conditioner greatly reduces friction and heat, which allows for peak performance and extended life everywhere it's used. Militec-1 smooths and seals the metal with a tight molecular bond of pure synthetic hydrocarbons. There are absolutely no PTFE resins, coatings, metals, solvents, or chlorinated paraffins. On a microscopic level, you see how the Militec-1 penetrates the tiny pores and bonds to the metal to form a new surface that's tough and resistant. Militec-1 is heat stable, oil soluble, non-corrosive, and it's safe. Less heat, less friction means less wear and longer engine life, even under the most demanding conditions. As shown in these test results achieved by industrial and fleet maintenance experts, the wear metal count in an engine treated with Militec-1 drops dramatically, illustrating protection that lasts, protection that leads to longer engine life. Less heat, less friction mean better fuel economy and increased power. Independent dyno tests by engine manufacturers and builders consistently show a 2 to 3% increase in horsepower for the same amount of fuel. Less heat, less friction means better performance